How to fix your account cannot be used in this location on Netflix. If you're facing this issue, then this usually appears when Netflix detects that the account you're using is registered in a region where it cannot be used from your current location. First, let's understand where Netflix accounts are supported. Netflix work in most major countries. However, if your account was created in a region where Netflix has restrictions, this error may appear. To fix this issue, the simplest solution is to stop using the restricted account. That account will not work in your current region. Instead, you need to create a new Netflix account that matches your current country or region. All you want to do is sign up again using a new email and create a fresh account. If the error still appears, you can try using a VPN. All you want to do is head over to Play Store or App Store, then go ahead and tap on the search bar. Now here search VPN. Download any VPN you want from here. Then you want to connect to VPN. After you have been connected, launch open Netflix, enter with your credentials, then this issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.